Let me show you how to replace the siphon brake. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Remove the front panel. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water from the pump or the hose. Remove the bottom hose from the pump. Disconnect the drain hose. And remove the screws that are holding the siphon brake to the cabinet. Remove the two screws that are holding the top panel to the cabinet, one on the left and the other one on the right. Open the top panel and lean it back. Pull the drum out a little bit so it'll be easier, and remove the siphon brake with the hose attached to it. If you have a clamp like this, you need to cut it out. Make sure that the rubber seal is on the new siphon brake before you install it. Go ahead and set up the new siphon brake in place. And from behind the washer, screw in two holding screws to keep it in place. Screw in the rest of the holding screws. Make them tight. Just be careful you don't tighten too much and strip the holes. Install the drain hose and secure it with the clamp. Install the hose on the pump and secure it with the clamp. Lower the top panel and secure it in place with the two holding screws, the one on the left and the one on the right. Install the front panel and try the washer to see how it works now. That was a way to remove and replace the siphon